Hrithik Roshan, often hailed as the Greek god of Bollywood, celebrated his birthday today. Born on 10th January 1974 in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Hrithik has become one of the most celebrated and versatile actors in Indian cinema. Known for his stunning looks, phenomenal acting skills, and unmatched dance moves, Hrithik has earned a massive fan following worldwide. Let's take a closer look at the superstar's journey and achievements. Hrithik made his sensational Bollywood debut with Kaho Na Pyar Hai in the year 2000, directed by his father, Rakesh Roshan. The film became an instant blockbuster and catapulted him to stardom overnight. In Kaho Na Pyar Hai, Hrithik played a double role, showcasing his incredible range as an actor. His portrayal of the fun-loving Rohit and the intense Raj won hearts all over the country. The movie's unforgettable songs like Ek Pal Ka Jeena and Na Tum Jano Na Hum became chartbusters, with Hrithik's mesmerizing dance moves in Ek Pal Ka Jeena becoming an iconic moment in Bollywood history. Over the years, Hrithik has delivered numerous hits like Koi Mil Gaya, Dhoom 2, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Jodha Akbar, Super 30, and the high-octane action thriller War. Each of these films showcased his versatility, from portraying a disabled young man to a historical emperor, and even a suave thief. Hrithik's remarkable achievements don't stop there. He has won 6 Filmfare Awards and has been featured in Forbes India Celebrity 100 list multiple times. Known for his dedication, he underwent a stunning transformation for his roles, particularly in movies like Super 30 and Karish, inspiring millions. When it comes to dance, Hrithik Roshan is in a league of his own. From the iconic moves in Ek Pal Ka Jeena to breathtaking performances in Bang Bang and Ghungru, Hrithik's flawless rhythm and unique style have earned him the title of Bollywood's Dance King. He has inspired countless fans to step up their dance game with his smooth yet electrifying moves. Hrithik's fitness journey is equally awe-inspiring. Despite multiple injuries, including a severe spinal issue and brain surgery, Hrithik bounced back stronger than ever. His commitment to fitness and his enviable physique are a testament to his dedication and resilience. Hrithik often shares his fitness mantra, motivating fans to prioritize health and well-being. Hrithik's latest movie, Fighter, is already creating waves. Teaming up with Deepika Padukone for the first time, Hrithik plays a fighter pilot in this high-octane action thriller directed by Siddharth Anand. With jaw-dropping aerial sequences and a gripping storyline, Fighter is set to redefine action in Bollywood. But that's not all. Hrithik is also gearing up for War 2, the much-anticipated sequel to his blockbuster hit War. This film will see Hrithik reprising his role as Kabir, a rogue agent, with even more intense action and drama. Fans can't wait to see what this espionage thriller has in store. Hrithik Roshan isn't just a superstar, he's a phenomenon. Whether it's his killer dance moves, his dedication to fitness, or his ability to bring characters to life, Hrithik continues to inspire millions. His humility, passion, and relentless pursuit of excellence set him apart as a true icon. Here is wishing Hrithik Roshan a very happy birthday and looking forward to more epic performances in Fighter, War 2, and beyond. Stay tuned for more updates on the Greek god of Bollywood.